Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce conducteur or conductor in English, meaning the person in charge of selling or checking tickets on a train, streetcar, tram or bus. This is the way we say conducteur. Conducteur. There is a light emphasis on the last syllable. Conducteur. 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 I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We also have memberships available with perks such as requesting words and sentences. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!